Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we are doing number 195. So let's start with this box. We're missing a 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 8, a 4 here, so 7, 8, and a 4 and 8 here. So that means this is our 7, 8, 4. For this box, looks like we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 7, 7 here, and a 9 here. That means this is our 5, 9, 7. For this row, then, we're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 6 and 2. For this box, we're missing a 5 and an 8. I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 8, 5 here, so 1, 8. That means that our 5 has to be here, and that makes this our 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 8, no help here, 2, 3, 8, and no help here, 2, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so that makes this our 3, a 2 here, so 5, 2. This 2 and 3 means this is our 8, 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing a 1 and a 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 8, no help here, 6, 8, 9, and a 6 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 3. That 5 makes us our 8 and 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 9, a 1 here, so 7, 9, and no help here, so 1, 7, 9. Oh, this 1 makes this our 8 and 1. For this row, then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 7. And then we can get rid of the 7 here. And that means for this box, we're missing 1 and 9, but we've got a 9 here. So 1, 9, 1. For this column now, we're missing, we've made a mistake. There's 2 9s in this box. All right, well, that will do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where I made a mistake, please do comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.